Hey guys, so to create this red glitter devil look, firstly I went into a black face paint and I just painted these really devilly cat eyes around my eye, and then I went into a red face paint and I just painted my whole face with that, and then I started to paint on a red devil ribcage as well. Using a white matte eyeshadow, I added highlights underneath my eyes and my chin and along my nose. I then went into the Devilish gem set and I just placed those around my eyes. They're self-adhesive, so they just stick on really easy. I then used the Black Widow gem set to create some gems onto the ribcage that I painted on, and I just cut up the gems into shapes and placed them around. I even placed some leftover bits on my eyes as well. To create more of a devilly look, I then painted this devil star on my forehead using a white paint, and then I just shaded around the edges with a black eyeshadow. Using the same white face paint, I then just went and added these kind of drippy devil details underneath my eyes, and then I painted my whole chest area with a white face paint as well. Using these really cool tattoo transfers, I added a few of the scratch ones around my chest area, and they even worked on top of the paint, which is pretty amazing. To make it a bit more spooky and gory, I dipped my paintbrush into some really watered down red paint, and then I just splattered it onto the chest area, and this kind of gives a blood splatter effect. I also outlined the ribcage with a black face paint. Using a black eyeshadow, I created a strong contour on my cheekbones and on my nose, and I also used this on the chest area as well to create some definition. I then used another Devilish gem set and I just chopped it up into little pieces and added that to the ribcage area. Using the Pro Glitz glitter fixing gel and the Devilish glitters, I added those to the ribcage area on top of the red paint. I then used the Unicorn Dream and Fairy glitters and I added those all around the white chest area. Using the Pro Glitz Black Magic glitter, I used some glitter primer and I just added that on top of my eyelid. I tied my hair up in a high bun and then I added this Pro Glitz red sparkly ponytail with the plaiting, and then I just painted my hair and ears red at the top just to match it. I then added this red hair gem which comes in the Devilish set. I then used the Devilish glitter in my hair and I also added some Fairy and Unicorn Dreams glitter into my hair as well. To make it a bit more devilly, I painted an upside down cross on my chin just with a white face paint, and I also added some highlights to the body and onto my nose as well. For the lips, I made the Cupid's bow really pointy and then I extended my lips a bit at the side, and I added a black liquid lipstick. While the lipstick was still wet, I added some black magic glitter onto the centre of my lips as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching my glitter devil makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll link down below the Pro Glitz website where you can check out all of these products I've used. Goodbye.